Hi there, this is Sydney from dailypaysite.com, and in this video I want to share with you how you can join our digital growth community free group. So basically you just click the link that I share with you, and then you scroll down here on the right side and you click on join group. Now you can type your first name, your last name, your email, password, and click on sign up. Then you need to enter a code that's sent to your email. Then you click on next. Now you see a pop-up and you need to answer these questions to be approved in our community. First, for the question who invited you to digital growth free community, you can put in my name, Sydney Nguyen, right here. Then you type your specific goals, and finally you can put in your aspect of digital marketing. Then you click on submit. And that's it. You just wait for a few hours, then you will be approved in our community. The process is the same when you are using a mobile phone. If you have any questions, I'm here to help. Okay, and this is Sydney from dailypaysite.com.